Hey everybody, day 2 of Lou's Video Challenge. This is also the second time that I have been through Lou's Video Challenge because as a certified card-carrying introvert, I'm basically didn't feel like I could do it because of one thing, fear. And one of the things I did last time was forget everything and run. But also, it was more than just getting out of having to do it. I don't think I really believed that I could do it. So that fear was false evidence appearing real. In this challenge, I have just one goal, and that's to learn how to use video to connect and engage with the people who can use and benefit from my skills and expertise. So this time, I'm going to face everything and rise. I'm Vicki Peel, and I approve this content.